Mr. Hannigan asked us to look at companies that we are interested in. What company do you think we should do?
I have no idea. Maybe we can check in the cover card.
There's a school place in Hermitage called Elwood Crankshaft. Do you think we should go there?
Yeah.
Hi guys, let's go look at Elwood Crankshaft.
We're making a correction. We're helping the whole streamline of everything, whether it be a train, a truck, or anything like pumping oil and gas. I mean,
Making a difference out there productivity wise, making the company succeed, making money. And Elwood has provided me an outstanding living, for my family. My wife has always been able to stay at home. 3 daughters, built a house, bought a piece of land. So Elwood has been a good provider for me for a job that I can provide my family. Highly self-motivated, want to come to work, be excited to come to work, and be a super hard worker, and you'll go sky high.
Comes in 2 different forms, either a closed eye forge or an open eye forge. An open eye forge is essentially just like a big bar, doesn't look like anything. Closed eye forge looks like a crankshaft. Produced 2 different ways. A closed eye forge comes out of a press. So basically, there's die sets that, imagine like if you guys played like Play-Doh before, right? You can like mold it whatever you want. So with the closed eye, they basically heat up a section of a bar.
Elwood Crankshaft was so cool, Dee. What was your favorite part?
I like how they use crankshafts for items that was used as cars. That was very cool to me. What do you like?
I liked how they treated everyone with respect and like family members. They also pay good money.